If you're moving into your first apartment, whether you're leaving the dorm or you're a young professional on the up and up, I'm gonna give you some tips, but first of all, congratulations. Number one, save your money. You're gonna have to buy so many things and they add up so fast, like laundry detergent, towels, shower curtain, tissue. The list is so disrespectful. Number two, do not move onto the first floor. You're gonna have neighbors tap dancing on top of your head, and you don't want people walking on the street or the sidewalk peeping into your place. Reach out to your family, friends, get as much secondhand stuff as possible. Go on Facebook Marketplace. This is not your last place. This is your first place. You don't have to have luxury everything. Time to go shopping. Start with Dollar Tree, Dollar Store, Five Below. Get all those discount items, but prioritize the essentials like a bed, food, utilities. You can decorate later. And last but not least, right before the holidays or your birthday, start being nice. Check on your family members that have money. Check in with those family members that got nice stuff at their house. And for your birthday, Christmas, whatever, ask for those big ticket items. Ask them to get you a knife set, pots, pans, mattresses, dishes. This stuff is going to add up quick. But guess what? You're going to get there. And if I forgot something, comment below the must-haves for moving into your first place.